Hi guys, Pirate King Isu here. Pirate King South. I'm sorry, I'm getting my own name wrong. I'm stupid. Anyways, this is what if Deku was Sanjis' reincarnation. So, yeah. So his childhood, basically, it'll kind of be the same, but like his twins don't really have the drug or his mom didn't take the drugs to make him have superpowers, but that's gonna be their character basically gonna be the same. But his twins get their quirks earlier than usual, so they would pick on Deku. Deku wouldn't really be mad. So he'll just take it, right? But then, when he's about 4 years old, he gets his quirk. Oh, by the way, his dad's still a dick. And he wants to use, so, yeah. So, his dad would be the same, but his attitude's different. Basically, he wouldn't be overseas, cause they would be pretty rich, but you still go to the daycare thing, and the same daycare, and he wouldn't really like Deku because he's not he doesn't think he's talented like his other siblings. Anyway, so when he gets his quirk, so basically his quirk is it's kind of like Edith. Basically, his legs are more powerful, so it makes him jump higher and move super fast. Right. We're not gonna get to his fire moveset. Yeah. So when Bakugo falls, Deku wouldn't care. He would be thinking about something else. So yeah. So that means Bakugo, Bakugo wouldn't hit him, but Bakugo would treat him like everybody else he treats. So, yeah. So, let's go to, after, the whole thing at school basically happens, but, not when, but this time, at the end of school, he doesn't get picked on by Bakugo. So, Sanjis, Deku's just walking, and the Sword cat attacks. So by the way, he took kickboxing lessons. He forced his dad to, so he'll be pretty good at kicking, I guess. But it still wouldn't be enough. But then All Might be I am here, and then just punch him in the face. That goes the fight with guys, he put him in the cup, and then Deku say, oh god, please, oh god, and grab your autograph, and gets him the autograph, and he starts flying, hard jumping away, but you'll hold on, and that instant what happened, as in canon, but he'll talk about his wife, and All Might would be pretty sad, but he thinks he's heroic. So here, I'll train you for 10 months to the UA exam. I'm gonna be a teacher there, and then after the 10 months, I'll give you one for all. Yeah, one for all. So the training goes, but stuff picking it up. But he explains how when he uses his feet, he'd kick him away. So yeah. So when the gems come, when Uraka falls, Deku would pick her up, and before she falls, and there's some corny romantic thing. And then yeah, it basically goes as normal after that. But he'll actually get some points kicking him. There's Kunkar says, and stuff, but like not with the fire. So. But he hasn't been using one for all until the zero opponent comes in and like the same thing, like, and then that'll go as normal. But Deku, instead of using like a big one for all punch, he does a one for all kick. He's like smash, and then kick him, and like he'll fall away, and it'll explode, and then that happened, and then. Yeah, I'm gonna keep saying that.
Daddy wants to see my channel.
Anyways, what happened is, so his other twins would be like accepted to UA2. They'd be like in 1B. Actually, that'd be like 1C. Yeah, I don't know. It was introduced, but like, what does pretend it was? Alright. So he gets in her class 1 and he's like, yo. And then, you see her rock of like, yo. And like he had none of them actually be like friends. So yeah. And then we get to the trading thing. And Sanjis be okay, not that good, not that bad. But the thing that uses his feet like running like the long jump. He'll be good at that. But come to like his best, like the long throw, he decides to use a bit of one for all. But he has like a lot more training, like a lot more knowledge of it, because because he had more time to train than Ken and Deku. Because like he trained basically all his way. And so look, what are you ready for? He's like, wait. So yeah. I think that'll be where I'm ending the video. I don't want to make this video too long. Tell me if you want to see more. And tell me what else that you want to see. So, yeah, see you in the next video.